Today, we install our FITCAMX dash cam in my 2011 Toyota Tundra. Let's see how it does. Look what's in the mail.
Oh.
Just want to pop them into place. Okay, so that about sums it up. Wow.
What are you doing, babe?
Just cleaning up the truck so we can go to the lake, hopefully find a cherry farm, pick some cherries. Which brings us to today's sponsor, FITCAMX. They have a large variety of vehicle dash cams. They sent us the model for the 2011 Toyota Tundra. We're expecting it in the mail today, so we're gonna get that unboxed and installed and head to the lake.
And go pick some cherries.
That's right. Look what's in the mail.
Ooh.
Let's open it up.
Ooh. FITCAMX 4K Ultra.
Wow. Okay, here we have the FITCAMX 2011 Toyota Tundra dash cam. It's got Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, and HDR high dynamic. And it's got 4K Ultra HD. That is awesome. Let's open this thing up.
It's sealed.
It is sealed. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, very nice.
Nice, very user
Organized. Yeah, the user friendly so far. Like it, I like that. You've got one box that has the dash cam, and then you have one box with your accessories. It looks like you get a technical support card in case you have some difficulties, and then a great user-friendly manual for anything you need to know. Okay, so first we're gonna open the dash cam. Let's see what we got. Nice, everything is packaged and extra packaged. I love that. Okay, nice. Nice. Let's see what we got. So looks like we have a window mount. It seems very durable. Nice. So it's spring loaded to hold it nice and tight. And then this, you'll peel off the protective layer. That'll go on your window. And you'll tighten that down to suction cup it. Very nice, wow. So here we have the actual dash cam. Does come with a memory card. That is awesome. And I'm loving the OEM look and feel. The color is gonna match great. The bottom has velvet, so it's not scratching or marring anything. Nice, this is awesome. Wow, and it looks like it's pretty simple to install, so that'll be nice and get us on the road quickly. So let's set these to the side. Let's open up our accessories. Oh wow, that is so useful. They give you in the accessories box a panel removing tool. This will keep you from scratching up your interior. This will help pop those pesky clips that always break. This will keep them from breaking. That is awesome. Oh wow, we have an adapter, USB to C port. That is awesome. And then this is another adapter. This will go from the mirror to the dash cam. Awesome FITCAMX, great products. And it looks like we have one screw and another tool to install the screw. Let's go, I am ready for this. Let's go use the tool to pop off some panels, and I'll show you what it takes to get all of this installed. Okay, we've got the FITCAMX ready to install. So you're gonna wanna take your instructions, and right here they have a QR code for the installation process. Just take your phone, click on the link, and it'll take you straight to the YouTube video so you can hook it up like a professional. That is super user friendly. First thing I always do when I'm installing something new or figuring something new out is I go to YouTube. So the fact that they have a QR code that takes me straight to it, that is super user friendly. You want to go ahead and take the supplied trim removal tool and remove the necessary pieces. Get in there on that. So we got these two removed. We're just going to set those to the side. Then you're going to take the other tool they supplied and remove the screw. Just set your screw to the side. Next, you're going to take the camera. You need this piece here. Just pops off. You see you've got a screw hole here. Just gonna slide it right over that. Make sure you unplug your wire to the mirror. So you're gonna take your supplied screw, put it in the plate, and go ahead and screw that into place. Then you'll take your adapter and take the wire that we unplugged. I'm going to plug that in. Then you're going to take the other end of that and plug it right back into the mirror. We're going to now take the camera. It's got the mounting holes that are here on the unit. Just want to pop them into place. Okay, just like that. Okay, now you've got the skinny wire here. You're just going to take that and you just want to plug in them for the power. It's got little lines so you line it up correctly, and that's in. We're going to try to hide some of those wires. Very nice. Okay, so that about sums it up. You can clean up the wires a little bit if you want. The extra pieces, the factory pieces you have, you can just throw them to the side, save them for later. That's looking pretty good. So awesome. You can take this piece and shove it. Nice. That about finishes it up. That looks super factory, super sturdy. Well, only thing left now is to turn the key and turn it on. Let's see how it does. Okay, once you get it hooked up, you want to go in your Wi-Fi, search for local signal. You will get car cam, click on that, and your password for mine is 1234567 We're going to enter. It is connecting. I believe we are connected. If you do not have the app that links to the FITCAMX, they provide that as well. For Apple, for Google. So I'm going to go to Google, click on that one. It's going to take us straight directly to the safe download app. I'm going to click that. We're going to install. So we are downloaded, so we're going to open the app. We're going to agree. I'm going to next, and then we want to connect to our FITCAMX. I'm going to next. I'm going to connect to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi on. Car cam. Okay, we're going to back it out. Wow, that is wild. The FITCAMX also, they also supply a wonderful phone holder. So you want to remove the film. And I have a very large phone, so the fact that this opens wide enough to hold mine, we're all good. All right, baby. You ready to go to the lake, find a cherry farm?
Go pick cherries?
Let's go pick some cherries.
And record on the way.
Let's hit the road and see what kind of footage we can get on the highway. Wow, look how clear that is. It's got a very nice wide angle view.